right? Okay, can you all hear me before that? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. All right, so okay, let's start. So we want to now we want to check. So this letter, right? This is the letter. We have a letter here. Now we want to check the what do you call the grammar and the spelling of the letter. So we'll see how to check the grammar and spelling. How to check the grammar, grammar and spelling. So you can see automatically you can see some letters are marked as in green, sorry, in red, right? That means there is some issue with the spelling, or maybe sometimes maybe it's a new word, or if this word is already not in the dictionary, then also you will get as a red light, right? Anyway, you can go and check like this one, ABC. When you want to check the spelling, you can select the ABC here, right? So after that, wait, I can't select everything. Okay, once you select this one, so you will you will have suggestions. You will get suggestions here. Can you see the suggestions? First one is actually says okay, dialogue etc. So you can't find the word from here, no. So what you can do then in that case, so this is not a spelling mistake actually, right? This is dialogues etc, right? I think the spelling is okay, right? Dialogue AXIT, but the word recognize this as a spelling mistake. So how do we overcome this problem rather than correcting that? Very good. So you have to right click this one, you have to right click this point, and you have to say ignore, or you can add to the dictionary also. If you are using frequently, you can add this to the dictionary, or you can ignore it, right? Then if you come to the below one, yeah, there's a mistake. After that, what you have to do, you have to accept the change if it is correct. If it is correct, you can accept the change. See, so like that you can if you come to the commercial one, there's another mistake. So the right spelling is suggested. Yes, you can change it. Yeah, you can change it. Like that employment, there is another mistake. You can accept the thing. So this is how you correct the spelling mistake. If there is any grammatical mistake, see, there's a mistake. Okay, here. Where is that one? Instead of and, we have used a. Where is that one? Okay. With an, look at this one. With an local. That is wrong, no? So you can, it should be a with a local, right? With a local, right? Okay, like that you can correct the spelling and grammatical mistake using using this function. Okay, spelling and grammar. This is the one you have to remember the icon in case, right? So the right sign and the ABC to check correct the grammar as well as the spelling. Right here we have another spelling mistake. What is that one? That is this one. When you right click from this here, or when you click this point, it will show you the suggestions. So you can go and change it, right? Then there's another one. It says it's okay. Shall we ask it? Or even if you want, you can, there is this a spelling mistake or grammatical mistake? THERE, the company with their summer promotions. This is not a grammar mistake, so spelling mistake. This is a grammatical mistake. So it should be THEIR, right? THEIR. Yeah, should be THEIR. Yeah, correct. You're correct. So clear? Right. Any questions? Okay, that's simple, no? Okay, so shall we start mail merging? So now, let's say we want to write a letter like this. Okay, we want to write a letter like this to our customers, right? To our customers, like it's like thanking letter, right? Kind of a thanking. As you may know, 2013 marks our 12th year of doing business over the last decade, or blah blah, right? So this is kind of a thanking letter to all our customers, right? Let's say we are running a company. Okay, now we have to do we have to write the same letter, right? To everyone, normally you write the same letter. But what is the thing you have to change? This part, the name, address, and maybe when you say dear, then you should have a last name, first name. So you have to basically change that part, right? Is that clear? So we have to change this part only, because this body or the letter, the letter should be the same to everyone. Now, yeah, if I ask you to send this letter to 100 of our customers, what is the usual method we do? What is the usual method? Yes. What is the usual method, Amna? If I ask you to send this letter to 100 of our customers, what is the usual normal method we follow? Copy and paste. That is not enough. No, you can't copy and paste. You have to change the name as well. No, every customer's name you have to write Mr. or Mrs. and you have to write the address, and you have to address them, dear so and so, right? Yeah, type everything. Yeah, you can type once, and you can copy that, but you have to change the name and address. For let's say you have 50 or 100 customers. So is this an easy task? What do you think? Is this a tedious task? Yes, no, it's not an easy one. No, it's not an easy task. But fortunately, Word has a solution for this. That is the interesting part of this Word program, right? Sometimes you know all the other parts of Word, not this one. So this is called what? So now Word has a feature, or Word has a facility. We can automatically, you have to write the letter once only, write the letter only once, okay? But copy the address and name automatically, or it's kind of automation. This is an automation. So this process is called mail merging. Mail merging. You can do this with the email, or even you can do this with letters. Okay, this is called mail merging. If you want, you can note it down, but I will share you a good note. I have a note on this, right? So no need to worry, because you can't write it down. You have to copy all the slide. You have to copy all the screenshots and all. Wait, I will share a note later. Okay. Now we want to, okay, is that clear? So you have to, in order to do a mail merge, so what is mail merging? It's nothing. You just write one letter and you paste the address and the details to, you just change the address and details here. That is mail merging. Okay. So in order to do a mail merging, you need a master document. What is master document? That is your letter. That is your letter in this case. And what else you need? What else you need? Come on. Yes, Salhan, what else you need? Okay. Yes, Samiha, what else you need? So you have a master document. Is that enough? Customer data like address, very good. So master data is not sufficient, because you have to insert their name, first name and the last name, their address, So where do you find all this? Then Mr. or Mrs., right? Title should be known in order to address them correctly. Otherwise, you will say Mr. Mr. Amai or something, right? So that is wrong. So where do you? So you can maintain a database. Don't worry about the database, right? You can maintain these details in an Excel sheet. Is that clear? You can maintain the address, address, name and everything, something like this. Look at this one. This is our we call this one, that is the master one. This is the we call reception list, right? So if you look, you have to maintain something like this, right? Something like this, whatever you need. If you need the first name, last name, address, then you have to maintain these details, right? If you need something else, you have to maintain in the Excel sheet. Is that clear now? So we have two documents. One is in the Word and one is in the Excel. Okay. So, oh no. Right. Okay. Now how do we now what we are going to do is, okay, let me tell you what we are going to insert the name and the first name and the last name from the Excel sheet to this letter, okay, from our Excel sheet. And the address also, this also comes from the Excel sheet. So this is our master record, master document. So we get all the details from the Excel sheet. Normally, you keep these details in Excel sheets. You know why? Because that is the easiest way of saving. Rather than creating a database, you need not to have you don't need a database in this case, right? So we are discussing about mail merge, right? If you're just joining. So we are discussing about the mail merge. Remember this one. This is the difficult part in Microsoft Word. Very not difficult actually. Something like when you compare with others, this is little difficult. You have to understand these steps. Okay. Okay, is that clear now? So we are going to insert the name and the database. Always we use kind of Excel sheet, right? Where we store our list, maybe the parents list, maybe customer list, or maybe say whatever, right? Whatever the list, right? You want to, you can store in the Excel sheet. So basically we are going to get the details from the Excel sheet. Okay, is that clear? Any doubt? If you don't understand this part, then it will be a problem. If anyone not clear, just tell me, I will explain it again. So the Excel sheet is this Excel document is called data, sorry. Excel document is called data sheet, or sometimes the reception list data sheet. That is the Excel document. If you want, you can note down these things. Excel document, that is the data sheet. Then our what do you call master document. Master document is the letter. Okay, this is the master document. So you need two things: one master document and a data sheet. Is that clear? Okay, now we'll see how to perform a mail merge. Okay, I will switch off the video. Right. So first you have to go to the menu. Right. Look at this one. Carefully look at this one. You have to go to the menu, mailing. Right. Mailing. Then can you see start mail merging here? Right. So you have to go to the mailing menu. Right. Mailings. Then from there you have to select start mail merge. Right. Then what? So you have several options, but I'm going to explain the wizard, the last one. I'm going to explain using the wizard. Okay, last one, step-by-step mail merging wizard. Is that clear? Okay. Right. So here, look at the corner. look at this part. We are going to select, we are going to work here. So we are not going to worry about the letter now. Okay. So look at that part, that area, which says select the document type. You have options. You can you can insert, you can use the mail merge in letters, email, envelopes, even you can print the addresses, right, continuously. But I'm going to use a letter. That's enough. Okay, I'm going to use a letter. So we select the first one, this one, letters. Okay, is that clear? We select the letters and we go to the last bottom. See, next starting document. So you click that one, it will take you to the next document. Okay. If you want, you can come back. If anything, if you want to change it by clicking the, okay, you can't maximize that part. Okay. Is that clear? Now we select the first option, the letters option. We select the first option and we select the next one. Is that clear? No need to write down. I will give these notes. Then select next. Okay, here select start in document. So this is the starting document because we already opened the document, so no need to do anything here. So here we say next, right? Okay. Now look at this one. Now look at this one. You can read it. You can read this point. Select reception list. Reception list is our data source. Our data source. You have to select the reception list. We can say an existing list because we already created the Excel sheet. Is that clear? Don't worry about other options, right? We are going to use the one which we already created. Understood? Yes? Any doubt? So we are doing a mail merge, right? So we have the master document, that is our letter. So what is the purpose of mail merging here? Why do we do mail merging? We have the letter. Why do we do mail merging? Yes, Zuhra, why do we do this mail merging? What is the purpose? Yes, what is the purpose? Why do we do? Yes, Artika, why do we do this one? Yes, Ken, come on. Why do we do this mail merging? What is the purpose? To send a letter for 11, to send it to many people. Basically, we are going to, we are going to insert these details, right? Right, we are going to insert those details, first name, last name, address, and the dear, whatever the last name. So we are going to insert it. So we are going to make it copies of the same letter rather than copy and pasting. We are going to use the automation function which comes with the word. Name of that automation function is called mail merging. Very simple. That's mail merging. If you look at your book, they have written so many things, right? I don't know, right? That is mail merging. If you go to the Excel, you have automation thing in Excel. Who knows what is automation in Excel? Can anyone tell me if you know the Excel little in detail? What is the automation in Excel? Who knows that? Yes, anyone knows Excel little deep in? That is we call macros. Macros, you can write programs, little small programs to automate things using Excel. That is a different thing. Okay, that is Excel macros. Unfortunately, fortunately, you don't have that in your syllabus. Okay. Right. So mail merging, first you have to say, okay, what are the type of, we are going to use a letter. That's first step. Then go to the last bottom, the next one. Okay. Then it said select start in document. Okay, we have already selected the document. We open the document. So that part also done. Second step also done, I think. Right. Now, important point, select an existing list. That means the list is what? This is our reception list or data source. Or data source, or sometimes we say reception list. Receptions list. Right? So now we have to select the list. Where is our list? Where is our list? That is in Excel. So what you have to do is now, right? We have selected the list. Now come to this place. Can you see this browse? Can you see the browse part? Yes. Okay. Browse it. Browse it. Yes, you browse it. That means you have to select that. Yeah, you have to select it. Now you will prompted for this usual part. Now, okay, let me select my file, the Excel file. That is in here, Word, not here. Okay, here, mail merge, Excel file, data source. That is my data source. Open. Done. Okay, now if you have many sheets, you know, in Excel, if you look at this one, sometimes you can have many sheets. But in my case, I have data in the first sheet. So no worries, right? I have data here. Okay, is that clear? Don't worry, I will do another example. So try to understand this. Okay, now press OK. Right, now this is your list. This is your whatever the list, customers, parents, whatever, right? Whatever the list. Now this is an interesting part. If you want, you can filter some of the students, maybe by address, or maybe something, right? You can filter these people if you want, right? But no, we are not going to filter it. We just use it. That's enough. So what is the next step? After you select, you say OK. So now I have selected my data source. Is that clear? My master document also there. My data source, I have selected the data source. Is that clear? I'm moving very slowly, right? I'm moving very slowly. Right, next, go to the next one. Write your letter. Next one say, can you read that one? Hafsa. This is say, can you, next, write your letter. You know what is a wizard in Microsoft operating system? Before we, what is the wizard in general in Microsoft operating system? Like in Mac, it's different, or Linux, you don't have Linux wizard, or maybe you have, I don't know. But what is the meaning of wizard? Salhan, what is the meaning of wizard in Windows? Anyone knows? Umaid, what is wizard? Uzma, what is wizard? Wizard is like, you know, it's again, it's like it's easy, like it's okay. When you want to do several steps, right? So what you have to do is you have to wizard will guide you easily to move step by step by using this next and, you know, back and forth arrows like this. Here, this is a wizard. If you look at this one, the mail merging wizard, that means after, once you complete the one step, you have to click the next. See, you click the next. Can you see the next in the bottom? So click the next one that says write your letter. So they have given, normally with the wizard, they give all the details. No worries, right? So write your letter. Next one says, now we have written the letter. That part also done. Letter is there. Okay, if you want, you can write it here, but we prepare everything and we start mail merging. That's easy. So now we go to the next one, right? This is next one. Right. Now, okay, if you want to write your letter, okay, now I'm going to delete this one because you can't keep like that. Okay. That is done. Okay, now here, write your letter. Okay, we have finished the letter, but we have missed one thing. That means now this is the important one. Okay, important one, right? Don't do any other work. Now we are going to take the address. Okay, we know we won't have here first name and the last name. No, we won't have the name here. Then the address in the second line. Then the third line, we have the dear and the name. That means it's a greeting. No, it's a greeting. Okay, first what we'll do is we'll take the name and address. Okay, how do we do that one? You select the address block here. Look at this one. You select the address block. Can you see the address block? Can you see that address block? See? See, now you can see the way the address will show up. You can see, if you want, you can change it later. Don't worry about those things. Now you can see, okay, address block. If you select the address block, okay, it says, see, name is there, then the address is there. Okay, this is what we want, right? Am I right? So you just select OK. So address block will come here. If you want, you can just move it, right? Or if you want, you can delete it using the delete key, right? So, okay, we will arrange it somewhere here. Click the address block. Look at this one, address block. Then this will insert the address. right? That's from our data sheet, right? See, it will insert the address. So they have shown a format. You just say okay, address block. Press enter key, so it will move to the next one. Now you start the letters like dear with the name, no. So that is called greeting line. Yeah. See, if you want, instead of dear, you can say something else, hi or something, or Randil and the comma. See the format. Greeting line for invalid receptor lists, dear sir or madam. Okay, we'll accept everything. Yeah? So they have given a nice, a line. So this will look like this. Dear Mrs. Albertston, comma. That's fine. No? That's fine. So we insert this line. Okay, now you don't see anything. You don't see anything. You only see the address block and greeting line. Is that clear? Okay, let me explain it again. Okay, if you can delete it, you can just press the backspace and delete these two. So you keep wherever you want insert the address, you insert, you press the what you call mouse pointer. You keep the mouse pointer there. Then go to the address block. Or if you okay, let's you go to the address block and just accept this address if it is fine. Press the enter and go to the greeting line and accept the greeting line. So you can adjust it if you want like this. Okay, fine. So we have the address and the greeting line. Right. Okay, we'll go to the next line. How do we move to the next one? How do you move to the next step from this one? So step 6 of 4 is completed. So how do we move to the next step? Come on. We'll see whether you are here. Yes, Umair, how do we move to the next line? Next step, how do we move to the next step? Anyone? No idea. Okay, click this one. Click the arrow mark here. Click the arrow mark. Okay. Click the next. Yes, that's the correct. That's correct. Yes, click the next one. Right. Now look at this one. So we are almost done. So can you see the address now? Look at this one. Now you can preview the mail merging. How do we preview this one? You can use this arrow mark. See, you can use the arrow mark to preview. So when you click this arrow mark, okay, it will move to the next address. See, I'm going to click it. See the change in the letter. What happened? What happened here? See, can you see the change? Yeah. What happened? So this is almost we're done with the mail merging. So this is the last step. Nothing to do. We are just checking whether we have we have done correctly. Is that clear? So this is mail merging. See, very simple, right? So finally, you go and click the next step, right? Next step. Now it says the last step. It says to print this one. That means you can print it, the letters. You press the print. You say print all the records. So I don't have a printer connected. Anyway, we'll see whether we can open in a PDF. Okay. If you have printer connected, you can directly print it. PDF. Let's see. Okay, I'm actually saving to a PDF because I can't print it. Let me check this one. Okay, here the letter. Let's see. Let's open and see. See, this is the first one, right? Look at this one, everyone. Okay, first letter. So see second one, third one. This depends on the number of customers, right? So you can see the same letter, copy it to everyone. See how nice, right? So rather than copying and pasting, you can do this using mail merging. Is that clear? Okay, so I will be sharing these notes with you all, right? Maybe through WhatsApp. So here I have explained all the steps which we did now. So first step is here, the second step, then you have the third step in detail. See, third step with all the other options like selecting the data source and everything, right? Third step is there. Then the fourth step, then we have the fifth step. You have altogether 6 steps. Last step is the printing one, right? If you don't have a printer, you can export to a PDF. So this is the mail merging. I will share these notes with you all. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, is that clear? So now you can close this one. Okay, we'll do another one. Hold on. That is mail merge. Okay, wait. Okay, this one. This is the one. Okay, now I'm going to use the same reception list because I can't create another one. So I'm going to use the same one. This is actually a parents. This is like about teacher-parent meeting. What do you call it? Parents meeting, no? Parents meeting. Teacher-parent interact day. So basically, from ABC International College. So they want to invite the parents again. So here, what you have to do? You have to insert the name, address, and the what you call greeting line. Okay, clear? That's clear, right? But in addition, we have another work to do. Okay, so we have to insert these things. So I will remove this one. We don't need this one. So we have to, and also we have to insert the child name here also like this. Please take this opportunity to discuss the progress of your child, so and so, by meeting the class teacher. Right? Okay, so we have to insert the child name also. Okay, is that clear? Okay, now we'll do a mail merging to copy this same letter to all the parents. Right, so how do we start this? Yes, who wants to help me? Is anyone willing to? Yes, but better you have to switch on the mic and talk, right? Yeah, mail in tab, and we go here and use the step mail merge wizard, the last one. Okay, what is the next step? Come on, what is the next step? Come on. Yes, what is the next step?
Select the document type.
Select the document type. Very good. That is, we are going to use the letter. Yeah, done. Yeah, next. Next. Select the document type. Yes, done. So next you have to press the next one. Right? Okay, now select starting document. How do you want to set up your letter? Use the current document. So we'll use the current document, right? That's fine. Right. Then select the reception list. Right. Now what you have to do? What is the next step now? Now we have to browse the reception list, right? Then it will show you the files. Yes, you have to browse and select your parents list. So I'm going to use the same one. I'm going to use the same one here. If anyone wants to practice, I can share these documents. No worries. Let me know. You can WhatsApp me. So I need these documents. Then I can share with you. So we use this data source. Yeah, that's done. So sheet is okay, done. Right? Now what you have to do? There's no filtering or anything here. Right? So we say okay. Right. Now we'll go to write a letter. Next step, write a letter. This is an important step. When you come to this step, that is very important. Look at this one. So now we'll remove these things. We don't need it. Right? Instead of that, what you have to insert? Instead of, you have to go to the address book. You can insert the address. There's another method. To do this one. Right? So we go to the more items here. And from this one, you can, customize the way you want to show the address. Like, let's say, okay, title. If you want to put the last name first, okay, put the last name first and the first name then. Okay, you can move to the next line. Oh, sorry, we'll delete that one. Okay, you go to the more items. Now you can select it. You can customize, right? You can customize. So we select, we go to the next line, more items. Now let's say we want to insert the address. Is that clear? You can use that method also. But if you want, you can directly use the predefined method, which is already given here. So we use the address block. That is there, everything. So we don't need this one. You can delete this one by pressing the backspace. Okay, Afsa. Okay, now we have to address it, no, dear or whatever. So we use the greeting line here. So we use the greeting line, right? Or if not, there's another method. You can say, you can write, okay, we don't want to use dear. We say we are from America, so we are like American people. So we say hi, and you can use hi, and you can say last name. Hi, and the title, you should use the title also, no? So we say hi, title, and the last name, and you can put a comma. That you can use that way also, rather than taking from the greeting line. Okay, we'll use this way. Right now, child name. So how do you insert the child name here? How do you insert it? In the data source, we have the child name. Here we have the child name. So what you have to do then? You have to go to the more items. So first you have to click and place the mouse pointer where you want to insert that child name. Then you go to the more items. Here the more item, click the child name. Now everything is done. Is that clear? Is that clear now? No, we are almost done. Now we go to the next one, preview the letters. So you can preview the letters, see. Okay, hi, Miss Albeston. Okay, there. Please take this opportunity to discuss the progress of your child. Yawaha. Okay. Okay, you can use this arrows to move backward and forward. See, we move. Then it's moving. See, William Davis. Okay, address is there. Hi, Mr. Davis. Okay, please take this opportunity to discuss the progress of your child, Sharmila. Okay, whatever. Okay, then yeah. So you can see the name and the address details are changing. See, now I have changed this one also. Rather than using the greeting line, so I have customized the greeting line. Is that clear? Now I'm almost done. Go to complete the merge. Now you go to the print part. Now say all. If you want, you can select and print it. Let's say all. Now you can upload to the PDF if you don't have a printer. Or even you can upload it, then you can double check, and you can print it. So I'm not going to save this one. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, how many of you understood the mail merge? Raise the hands if you understood the mail merge. If you understood the mail merge, raise the hand. Otherwise, we will discuss another example. Yes, Umair Azrin Hanif. Who is that Azrin Hanifa? Okay, I think almost everyone says yes. Okay, done. Okay, good. So I will share the document. If you want, you can request me. I will share with you all, so you can practice. Okay, that's the last part, right? There are so many things in Microsoft Word, but we don't want. I mean, if you want me to discuss anything, let me know. Then I can discuss it. So now we will go back. We'll start the papers, right? So we'll go back to this past paper questions. Okay, I hope you have a printout of this at least, right? Amna, is that clear or not clear? I don't see Umair talking, right? What happened to your mic? Right, so I think we did this one. Remember, we did this in the last class, 15th one. Right. Now I want to go to this question. Right. Okay, this one. Can you all find the answer for this one now? Following are some functions of functions, those can be performed using different software. Not this one, no, this one, okay. I think, okay, this is the one, this is the one. Okay, come on. So let's do this one. Okay, let me switch off the video. Right, a document prepared using word processing software is given below. What is the correct regarding part A? Okay, here 1, 2, 3. This is 3, and this is 4. Right. Okay. What is the answer? Now you can answer this question quickly. Answer the. What is the answer? Raisa. No. Uzma correct. Raisa, think. I have changed the number here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, Hani correct. Raisa correct. Mayada, no. Wrong. Atika correct. Yes, Amna correct. Umair, no. Umair, no. So try to understand the question first. So a document prepared using Microsoft Word processing software is given below. What is the correct regarding part A? They're asking about this part, right? Number of characters that is not printed? No. Alternative symbol used instead of brackets? No. Actually, this should be double brackets. Okay, it should be something like this, right? Anyway, field names of a table that is used in mail merge. These are called field names. Remember, field names. A few records of a table that is used in a mail merge. No, why? Why fourth one is wrong? Who can tell me the correct answer? Why, Hala? Why fourth one is wrong? A few records of a table that is used in mail merge. Yeah, that is true, right? Why this is wrong? Why the fourth one is wrong? It is not a record. Okay, it is not a record. Very good. It is not a record. If it is a record, you will see the details, no title, name, everything is there. So correct answer is third one. Correct answer for this one is third one. Okay. Right. So we did this one. So we'll go to 15, 16. Okay. Right. Very simple. What is the answer for this one? Sarah, where's your friend? Lakshini, right? I didn't see her few classes. Yes, very simple one. Which of the following tool can be used to find a given term in a word process document? Okay, Hala wrong. Atika correct. Okay, Sarah. Okay. Yeah. Mayada correct. Hala correct. Fazul Ahmad correct. Yes, Salhan. Raisa correct. No, Raisa wrong. Amna wrong. Umair wrong. Okay. Which of the following tools can be used to find a given term in a word process document? What is that? What is that feature? Yeah. Which of the following tool can be used to find, you know what is find in word processing? Microsoft Word? Is this one? Is this the answer? No. Find, you will see, always you will have this what is called, what do you call this one? Binocular, right? Okay, so what is this one then? ABC with the right mark. The third one, what is the purpose of third one? Why do we use that one? Third one, Umair, why do we use Riser? Third one, for what? Third one, spell check. Yes, spell check, and not only spell check, and grammar. Yes, grammar, both, right? Spell check and grammar. So be careful. Very simple questions, right? Very simple. Okay, what is the answer for this one? Again, from a male merging. Mm, Let me check this question because 2018 MCQ. Okay. Wait. So there's a mistake in this one. Okay, now what you have to do is, okay, just tell me here, which one is master document? Okay, which one is master document? Master document, right? Second one, which one is data source? Okay, so you have to say, let's say for example, P is master document, Q is data source. Or if it is other way, you can say, you can send your answers. Okay. Now you know what is a master document, what is a data source. Second, is there, but I can't see any answers. No. How do you say second answer, Hani? Are you referring to the past book? I have, yeah, okay. No, just okay. Let's forget about the password book. Can you answer? Can you tell me which one is master document and which one is data source? Okay, first tell me what is the POQ? Which one is the master document? Okay, which one is master? Okay, Hala. Which one is master document? Okay. But which one is master? Now you should be able to answer this one. Yes, Uzma correct, Raiza correct, Zuhra correct, Atika correct. Very simple, no? Hala correct. Boys, Sadhana. Yeah. Amna correct. So create the invitation letter as this is the master document. Create and save the list of invitees. Invitees, our parents list with the address. That is our data source. That data source or reception list. Right? Data source. Very simple. P and Q now. Right? Okay. Right? Any questions? Okay, clear everyone. Is it clear? Okay, shall we go to the next one then? Right. What is the answer for this one? This is actually a part 2 question, right? So you have to write the answers. So basically, before formatting, so this is the one before formatting. Now after formatting is this. So how do you format this to this? How do you format this to this? So what are the tools you have to use? Basically, if you write the name, that's enough. Raiza. Yes, Raiza, perfect. Uzma, there's a small mistake. Amna, not perfect. Zuhra, still there's mistake. Hala, no, not complete. Atika, not complete. Hani, not complete. So you have to, Umair, oh my goodness, that is completely wrong. Yeah, but what is the name of that? So yeah, that's also correct. You can mention that way also. That's also accepted in the marking scheme. So either you can tell the name, or you can use the the bold is B, no, so you can use that way of icons. Okay, right. Uzma, now you are correct. Umair, right. Okay, we'll come to this one. It's very clear, right? If you look at this one, Samiha, how do you get this bold type? You use the bold, right? So you say bold. So you can bold the letters. Is that clear? Even we don't have, even if we have much experience, you can answer this question, right? Bold. Okay. And look at the letters, the way it's italic, right? If you want to get something like that, so you have to use the italic. Yeah, right. So you can say italic. So that's fine. So you can say I B O, you can write this way also, right? B and I. Okay, is this complete? Is this answer complete? Ah, look at the 21st part. What is that? That is, you can say X squared or superscript, or you can say superscript, superscript, right? But unfortunately, if you answer like bold and italic, no marks, no marks, because this is actually question 1. You have 10 parts, no, so usually you will get like 1 or 2 marks, maybe 1, I think, here. Yes, anyway, careful, right? Okay, what is the answer for this question? I think next week, February 4th, I'm doing a seminar at Baduddin for O level. That's only on web designing and HTML programming. Yeah. Yes, Uzma correct. Amna correct. Fazil Ahmad wrong. Mayada wrong. Samiha correct. Very good. Very good. Good try. Anyway, good try. Umair correct. Zuhra Ahala correct. Zuhra correct. Atika correct. Hani correct. So very simple, no? Consider the following statement. P aligns text to left. P is what? P is, yeah, what is alignment? P. Is it left or right? How do you find that? You just, like, you can see that you just put a line here, right? That is left alignment. Yeah, that is left alignment. The Q is center, right? Center. The R is right alignment. S is justification. Justify. So it says, A says P aligns text to left. P aligns text to left, correct. R aligns text to right. That is correct, right? That is correct. So this is correct. B, P aligns text to left, correct. S aligns text only to right, that is wrong. So this is wrong. Okay, Umair. C, Q aligns text to center. C, Q aligns text to center, that's correct. And S justify, that's correct. So C is correct. A and C correct. Any doubt? Is that clear, Fazil Ahmad? So you have to remember this, right? When you're using Microsoft Word, remember the icons. That's how you have to face your exam, right? To pass, you have to get the marks. There's no other options, even though I don't like personally to ask students to remember these kind of things, right? This is not the way to check your intelligence, knowledge, or whatever, right? But we have to prepare the way they are, the way the questions are been asked. So there's no option for us, right? So you have to remember these icons, right? Okay, this one. So we'll stop completing this one. Okay, what is the answer for this one? Atika correct, Hala correct, Uzma correct, Hani correct, Raiza correct. Yes, Umair wrong, Zuhra correct, Umair wrong, right? Umair, read the question. You can answer this. This is not very hard. Mayada correct, Amna correct, right? Samiha, Umair, yeah, now it's okay. How about Hafsa? Why don't you try this? Right. Control C is used to copy. So copy text and objects, correct? Control C, that is correct. Control A, what is the purpose of Control A? If you want to check all the document, right? If you want to check everything in a document, we use Control A. So Control A will check everything, right? All document, everything, including text and object. Control V is copy, then you have to paste it. We use Control V to paste. So you use Control plus C to copy, right? Then Control plus V to paste. So A, B, C, all are correct. Okay. Any questions? So we'll stop here and we'll continue maybe Monday, inshallah. Okay.